Remember, hey, when you lose, So, I reckon I'm going to be Mickey at Burps with, I'm going to go with a classic Coke. Just a classic. Watch out, I'm all over this.
I got the Sprite, you know, get a mellow yellow.
Yeah, I'm going to get a code red. Make any difference because I'm going to win.
99% sugar free, so.
Oh, that's yum.
This is the winner. You're going to be drunken tonight. Ginger beer. Good everyone. We just got back from the supermarket, so we bought our drinks as you saw. Because some people have been asking, they want us to do another burp off. And we're going to be putting some tea towels all over them, and we can either choose to keep the drink that we have or switch it. And to see one cup, one burp, see who gets the biggest burp.
Sure. Play the fart game with me, then start something you can't finish.
I already finished it.
After every round, someone is going to get their face slammed with shaving cream.
Let's do this.
Alright, let's go. Ooh, what about Code Red? Ooh, it's gonna be good there. I hope I get that. Will Smith up in the house. Code Red.
Oh.
Oh, teats. What a teats.
I was looking at the thing coming out.
Well,
I'm looking at the wall.
hey, just tell us who is ready. On that side.
Damn,
Paper, scissors, rock to see who goes first. Okay, so who gets this. Ready, go. Paper, scissors, shoot. Damn it. What you want to keep or you want to swap or what?
I want to keep.
Eyes closed?
No, you don't.
Yeah, that's just eyes closed and make it more fun. Hey, one skull, one burp.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Oh. Ah.
Yuck.
Yeah, that's a yuck. Oh, mine's open.
Girls, who won that one?
We're gonna have to review the footage. I think we should review the footage.
I reckon we should just paper, scissors, rock.
No, we have to review the footage.
So you cheated?
No.
Oh, flag on the play.
No.
Flag on the.
Comment down below who won.
Yeah, comment down below.
Comment down below.
Oh, and
subscribe.
subscribe to MKTV.
Being the man that I am, I thought, I'll be humble in victory, and I'll let him win. So I'll be gracious in defeat. So no, I'm not mean. Just side of the face, eh? Side of the face. Just remember, hey, when you lose, Can we get a towel, please?
No, you have to keep it on the whole game.
The whole game?
No.
Nah, yeah, alright then, alright.
Yeah, and that seems fair.
You wait. Shut up.
Damn. You're a midway talking.
You're great.
Yeah, remember when you lose, walk. I really want to try mellow yellow, you know.
Oh, that was yuck. A mouthful of freaking shaving foam anyway. Ooh, that sounds fizzy. I thought your one sounded fizzier, so I'll have your one.
No, it's my turn to choose.
No, you chose the last one, and you chose to keep. It's my turn to choose.
No, that was you.
No.
What? No, Dad.
Oh, okay. You choose this one,
No,
I choose
no,
the next one.
you choose.
Oh, I want your one.
Okay.
Okay. You do, okay. Wasn't even very fizzy. Damn it!
Oh, that was wet. Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Man, that was dumb! Damn it!
Let's go! It went in my mouth.
Hope I win! Damn it! Damn it! Blindfolds on!
Oh man, 2 in a row. And just to so let you know that I am the defending burp champion.
This isn't even a cup anymore. You want to swap?
Nah.
Or do you want to keep?
I kind of want to. I'm gonna be dangerous, you know? I'm gonna be dangerous. I'm gonna swap it. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep.
You're gonna keep?
I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna be dangerous.
Alright, let's go.
I can't find the cup. Oh, there it is.
Oh, I feel like that could be a winner.
Yeah, that's a winner.
That could be a winner. I'm getting ready right now.
Okay, stop. Wait.
I was that confident. I was that confident that I was gonna win that. Even before he took his mask off, I had him ready to go. Whoopsh, whoopsh. Call me Mellow Yellow. Hey, just your eyes and your mouth,
That's
babe.
what I'm doing, babe. What are you gonna do
Good.
like that?
You have something in your eye. Alright. Hey, what you up
Nervous,
to?
man.
Up to, man? You're giving yourself extra gas? Have to cheat? Better have another bit.
Really cheat.
Got something up your nose. Alright, here we go.
Ow.
What?
You want to wipe your eyes?
You got something on your blindfold?
Nah, shut up.
Call me Mellow Yellow. Oh, that sounds fizzy. Oh, I'm keeping. I am keeping. There you go.
Oh, I need to find the cup again. Found it. I lost.
That's what's went up.
Ooh, I think we might have to just put you on that one.
Yes! Yes!
I thought I had like it was a good progression to a big nice follow
Nah.
finish.
Potatoes, quite.
It's like brr, brr, brr. So you got like 3 for the price of 1.
Look, that's what's on you, kid.
Let's go. Look at that.
Oh, you're winning, man. You're winning 3-1. So you know, I thought you cheated, man, because you had that extra
Nah.
from the one before.
Yeah.
Are you gonna keep or are you gonna swap?
Swap.
No.
Please don't be water.
Yep. It's right in front of you.
You got water.
Damn one.
No way. Let me have a drink.
That was pathetic, that burp, man. I already knew I'd won. And it was water. I had water and I won.
It was flavored.
So the score's at 3-2. If I win this one, then we go to a tie break. If you win this one, then it's done.
Done.
Yeah, it's my choice, and I will keep it.
Okay. I won. Let's go!
Hand up. Go! Put your hand up, go!
Well, look at that. There you go. Give me some more now. Heaps.
I love you, son.
She even came so nice.
Sore loser, mate.
Nah.
My hands feel like a cloud.
What's the matter? You got something on your face.
You're so nice.
Such a
Love
dick.
you, boy.
You dick. I can't see, my eyes won't open. My
So that brings us to the end of our burp off, and I don't mind saying that that I lost. It was fun. It was crack up. It was a bit of a laugh. Hope you enjoyed it. But yes, son, it's there it is. You've got the most gas in the family, short boy.
Let's go, man. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching us burp and slap each other in the face with shaving foam.
Until the next video.
So yeah, see you guys in the next video.
Hoop, handshake, here we go. Boom, 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 boom.
See you guys in the next one. Goodbye. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you guys for watching. Ka kite anō.